Welcome to Fixing Expert. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of awnings. Get ready to discover the 14 different types of awnings that can transform your living space into a stylish and functional oasis. From retractable awnings to freestanding ones, we'll explore a wide variety of options that can meet your specific needs and preferences. So, without further delay, let's get started. Patio awnings, designed to provide shade and protection for outdoor patios and decks. Patio awnings shielding you from the sun's harsh rays and light rain showers. Balcony awning. Balcony awnings serve a similar purpose to patio awnings but are tailored for balconies or terraces. They offer shade and privacy, allowing you to make the most of your balcony space. Veranda awnings, designed to cover larger outdoor verandas or extended patio spaces. These awnings provide an expansive shaded area, making them ideal for hosting gatherings or enjoying outdoor meals with family and friends. Pergola awnings. Pergola awnings feature a retractable fabric cover that can be extended or retracted to control sunlight and provide shade. Freestanding awnings. They are supported by a sturdy frame structure, allowing you to place them anywhere in your outdoor area. Conservatory awnings. Conservatory awnings are designed specifically for conservatories, which are glass-enclosed structures attached to a building. Vertical awnings. Vertical awnings, also known as drop-arm awnings, are an excellent choice for windows or outdoor spaces where vertical shading is required. Full cassette awning. Full cassette awnings provide complete protection to the fabric when retracted. The fabric and operating mechanism are fully enclosed within a cassette, safeguarding them from weather elements. Semi-cassette awning. Semi-cassette awnings offer partial protection to the fabric when retracted. The top portion of the fabric and operating mechanism are enclosed within a cassette, while the bottom part remains exposed. Open awning. Open awnings do not have a cassette housing. Open awnings are a cost-effective option but may require more maintenance compared to cassette types. Coverboards. Coverboards are an essential component of awnings, serving as a decorative and protective element. They are typically made from materials such as aluminum or PVC and are installed at the front profile of the awning. Sloped canopy roofing. Sloped canopy roofing refers to a pitched or sloped roof design. Sloped canopy roofing is commonly used for larger awning installations and ensures effective water management. Retractable awnings. Retractable awnings offer the flexibility of extending or retracting the awning as desired. They can be manually operated or motorized for ease of use. Door awnings. Door awnings offer shade and protection to doorways, preventing direct sunlight and rainwater from entering the interior space. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the 14 different types of awnings. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring.